Okay, so fashion is dumb. And it seems like everyone is just throwing the word AI around nowadays. So I thought it would be funny if I, use this super smart intelligence to look at your outfit and tell you if you got that shit on or not. All right, so first I'm gonna use CV2, which gives Python the ability to see and manipulate visual data, kind of like a human would. It's also used in a lot of ML libraries. Okay, so now if we run this, we should be able to get the image up. Beautiful. Now we just have to figure out how to use this image to train to see if we have drip or not. All right, you might be wondering, Tanner, how are you gonna do this? And to that, I say, using other people's code. So basically, what we're gonna do is use this model from OpenAI called DripAI. And what DripAI is a multilingual, bilingual image translator.
Yep.
So essentially what it's trained on is a bunch of images and captions, right?
Okay.
So let's say we have an image of a person, right? So DripAI is going to be able to distinguish this is a person, so it matches the word person. Essentially for what we're doing, it's going to be able to take, a stylish shirt and match it to whatever image it thinks a stylish shirt is.
Okay, sure.
The second thing we're gonna use is YOLO, which is a image processing model that essentially is called YOLO because you only have to look once. And what it's gonna do is it's gonna take the image, let's say of person, a car, and put it in a grid, right? Then in that grid, it's gonna analyze all the objects and take away the background or things that we're not really worried about. In our case, we're not worried about the background because we wanna be able to just get the clothes, just spot the clothes. And then it's gonna be able to determine, oh, this is a person, oh, this is a car, and put that text under there.
It's technology.
YOLO is gonna be the spotter, right? So it takes this image, it goes, all right, that's a person. Then Clip is gonna be able to look at that person, see what it's wearing, and analyze the image and actually describe it like, oh, that person is wearing something stylish, or
you've got no drip.
Okay, so here's our full-fledged code. So here with CV2, we give the AI eyes so it can judge us. Over here we have our prompts, so the drippy and the not drippy prompts. YOLO, which finds the person because we don't want to detect our chair's drippiness. Then Clip, which is going to take that image, compare it with the prompts. Then I also added a delay for when I press Q to activate it, just so we have time to back up and get in the image. Down here is where we use Clip to evaluate the images based off of our text prompts that we made. It calculates a probability for each prompt, sums the first however many we have, and classifies the outfit as
Drippy, bro.
It's above 0.5 or
That trash, dog.
Oh, hell no, take that shit off.
Okay, so I added suit to the prompts for Drippy.
Oh, hell no, take that shit off.
Damn! Alright, so now we're gonna try again, except a little closer.
Oh, hell no, take that shit off.
Alright, alright.
Bro, the jacket look tough in the camera though.
Damn, he got that shit on.
Bro!
Oh shit.
Okay, so after all that work, I posted a TikTok showing the glorious DripAI in its beta phase, of course. Alright, little side project I've been working on. It's this AI bot that tells me if I have drip or not. It's gonna take like 10 seconds to take my picture.
Oh hell nah, take that shit.
And, you know, I got comments like, wow, you're changing the world. Thank you. I am. That's hilarious. This is what that degree is for, huh? Which, yes, this is exactly why I got my degree. And, nah, twin, you put that shit on, bro. Frick AI. Which made me think, yes, honestly, it does look kind of like I just threw, okay, random choice, drip or no drip, right? And then a response between the two. So I thought, what if we change the code a little bit to where we single out a specific item that is either weighing down or up your drip score and call that specific item out in the responses. So you might be asking, Tanner, did you just steal another person's model? No. I know, very surprising. I trained my own YOLO model using a deep fashion dataset that I found on Kaggle, which had a bunch of clothing items, perfect for training something like a YOLO model to detect these specific items. I ran everything through Kaggle because, you know, free GPUs and whatnot, but I had to pre-process the dataset, resizing images and converting annotations so YOLO could actually understand everything. But once I did it, it was super easy to train with just a few lines of code. I set up a custom config for the number of classes which I was detecting, which was, you know, pants, jackets, dresses, and everything. Essentially, I force-fed YOLO thousands of t-shirts until it learned to scream, "That's a jacket," every time it saw rectangles with sleeves. But now, we have 2 YOLO models working.
But wait! There's more!
Then I thought, what is the fun if you guys don't get to try this yourselves? So we made a beautiful website. You can see how it works, kind of more of an in-depth explanation, if you will. And then just go to analyze my fit, and then drag and drop, use your webcam or paste, and analyze your drip. So after all that, you guys might be wondering, does it even work? I haven't tried it yet. I've been a little too afraid because it's broken multiple times and detected my couch when it's not supposed to do that. But the short answer is yes. Now here's a video of me trying it for the first couple times, running it locally through an old computer before I published it on the site.
Are you tired of not being able to afford designer wear or just know what to wear? Are you like this guy with absolutely no sense of style? Now introducing DripAI. DripAI is a technological advancement of our generation that combines both fashion with the most up-to-date machine learning models. DripAI will tell you if you got that shit on or not. Come be a part of the future and revolutionize your wardrobe today.
Crimes against fashion,
Motherfucker.
especially the jacket. Also, get a haircut. It's ice, but upgrade the t-shirt.
Alright. Check out the shoes.
It's ice, but upgrade the dress shirt. Never walk out the house again with the tank top. Maybe it isn't the tank top. You may just need a haircut.
Bro, this shit is awesome.
You're drippy, bruh.
Oh shit! Yo. Sponsored by Bogle's Vintage.
Drop the t-shirt and you could get a text. Oh hell no. Burn that. Drop the dress shirt and you could get a text back. Mid-fit alert. The pants is holding you back. Mid-fit alert. Mid-fit alert. It's ice, but upgrade the t-shirt. It's ice, but upgrade the sweater. Bro thought that dress shirt was tough. Your drippy bruh, fire dress shirt.